Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Ford Expedition. Before you begin, ensure you have all your tools ready, including fresh oil and a new filter. Safety is paramount, so always park on a level surface and allow the engine to cool down completely. When lifting your vehicle, always use sturdy jack stands for secure support. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe oil change process. Now, let's drain the old oil. Position your drain pan directly under the oil pan's drain plug. Using the correct wrench, carefully remove the plug and let all the old engine oil completely empty into the pan. Once drained, clean the area, then replace the drain plug with a new crush washer. Tighten it firmly to prevent any leaks. Next, we will replace the oil filter. Locate the old filter and unscrew it counterclockwise. A filter wrench might be helpful. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This ensures a proper seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it feels snug, then give it an additional 3/4 of a turn for a secure fit. Finally, it's time to add the new oil. Consult your owner's manual for the exact type and quantity, typically around 6 to 7 quarts for a Ford Expedition. Carefully pour the fresh oil into the engine's fill port. Start the engine for about 30 seconds, then turn it off and check the oil level with the dipstick. Ensure there are no leaks around the drain plug or filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.